everyone, for today's tutorial I will be teaching you how to make your Instagram account private. To start, simply open Instagram on your phone and make sure that you are logged in. Once Instagram is open, press the profile icon at the bottom right part of your screen and then press the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Here, just go to Settings and Privacy and then scroll down until you see the option about account privacy. This is under Who can see your content. Once you press this, you'll immediately see the option or settings regarding making your account private. So to ensure that your account or Instagram account is private, just toggle on the button and you'll know that it's turned on when the button is color blue. And that's basically it for this tutorial. If this video helped you, as always, don't forget to press like and subscribe.